Who the hell am I kidding? It's bloody freezing. So there's me complaining it's freezing, and the next thing, I'm in a t-shirt. Well, today we've got this Renault Wind in, and it's due an MOT on Saturday, and unfortunately it's got a couple of rear broken coil springs, and it's got a drop link on the front that's in the shape of a banana. So without further ado, let's get it jacked up, let's get it sorted. Well, I'm not sure if you can see how bananas that is, but yeah, it's definitely bent. Yeah, it's definitely seen better days. some of you might be thinking I thought I said the rear coil springs was broken, and that is correct. But as we always do, we can't just fit standard springs, so this is getting a 30mm drop, nothing fancy, but I'll go get the new springs now, we'll get back on with it. So there's a new one, and we get it to fit on this, just like that. Yeah, so pretty straightforward. You've seen us do these a good few times now if you've watched our channel for a while. And I will just say, with this Renault Wind, they are quite a rare car. And the standard springs are pretty damn hard to find. Now, that doesn't mean we don't love lowering cars on this channel, because clearly we do. But yeah, the lowering springs are a much cheaper, easy option. But should you want to go stock, I do believe that these share the same chassis as a Renault Twingo, probably the RS model. I'm not entirely sure. Not done my research, first time working on one. But anyway, I'll get the other one done real quick, and we'll get them refitted. Bit excessive, but
it doesn't help to know who I am. I'm way too much even for myself. You cannot help me and I can't.
okay, so that's one side done. Get the other side done, and then we can make a start on these rears that are actually broken. Right, just the rears to go now, then we can drop it down, finish boxing up at the front, and we'll see if the fruits of our labour have made any difference.
Please don't leave me on my own. Pack the bags and close the door. Don't drive away alone. Don't drive away alone.
Yeah, so there's the damaged culprit right there. So we'll get the new one, crack on. Well, that is me all done. Got the new coil springs fitted all round instead of just repairing the back, so that's going to benefit from that. It looks better in my opinion, and we got rid of that damn awful banana drop link, so it's now ready for an MOT, so that's always good news. Yeah, I'm going to get the car out in the morning. As you can probably see behind me, it's dark. I'll wash the car. I'll get some footage for you to see what this kit looks like when it's fitted. I haven't got any prior pictures or video to show you what it looks like before, but you can find plenty of stock images online, and you can be the judge. But if you like this content, please give it a like, comment below as always, and most importantly, please feel free to subscribe and support the channel. Really would appreciate it. But until the next time, I'll catch you on the next one.